Hello and welcome to the CRT Basic to Advance Mentorship on YouTube. The aim of this series is to equip you with the right tools to navigate these markets. If you have been struggling to understand market structure, order flow, or how the algorithm really moves the market, this course is designed for you. In this mentorship, we will go step by step, starting from the basic of market structure all the way to advanced concepts like candle range theory, draw on liquidity, and precision entries. What you will learn from this course, we will start from module 1.1, which is market structure, where you will learn how to read the market. And then we'll then go forth to module 1.2, where we'll be looking at advanced market structure, where you will then understand how the market really book price. We'll then go to module 1.3, where we'll look at types of market structures, where you will then understand the structures that we have and how to trade them. And then we'll then go into order flow, understanding how institutional price move. Then we'll go into market profiles. This one, I think it is one of the things that you really need to understand in order to do very well in the market. It builds actually anticipatory skills. We'll then move to module 3, where we'll then look into key levels and how to identify and trade within those zones, right? On module 4, we'll then combine the market profiles with key levels so that we might be able to map correctly our markets. We'll then look into module 5, which will be looking into time frame alignment, and then we'll go to module 6, where we'll then look into time frame selection, how to select your time frames based on what type of a trader you are. It is very important to know what time frame you should be using, whether you're a scalper, day trader, or swing trader. It's very important to understand which time frames you should be using. We'll go to module 7, where you'll be learning about dealing ranges and PD array metrics. We'll then learn in that section expansion range and dealing ranges. What is the difference between the two, or which one comes first and which one comes second, and which one to expect when. Then we'll go into module 8, where we'll be looking at weekly profiles. Here, this will then help us to analyze market behavior and what the market might do for the following trading week. And this will also build our anticipatory skills to be able to anticipate what will happen the following week. We'll then go into module 9, where we'll be looking at intraday profiles, building a daily trading work frame, where you might be able to know what to do when you get to your chart daily. In module 10, we'll be looking at range trading, knowing when to trade, knowing how to trade also the consolidation phases if you really want to trade those. And we'll then look into module 11, where we'll be looking at drawn liquidities and how to trade towards them. Then we'll look into module 12, where we'll then go in depth into candle range theories, where we'll look at where do they form and how to trade them, a valid CRT and an invalid CRT, right? We'll then go to module 13, where we'll then learn about entry modules, the best practices, and how to actually time your trades. We'll then go into module 14, where we'll look at risk management, how to protect your capital like a pro. It is very important that when you go into this market, you are able to protect your capital. And then lastly, we'll then look at the structure of a trading week, where we will then be able to plan ahead of time what we will do for the coming week, how we will execute. We'll then learn how to review your week and your plan for the week like a pro. So this will then help you to be way advanced and way above others when it comes to your trading. Each model is practical, focused, and easy to follow, helping you build the foundation to trade with confidence and clarity. Whether you trade Forex, synthetic indices, or futures, this series will help you to see the market through a professional lens. So, if you are ready to level up your trading, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and start with Module 1, Market Structure. Your journey to mastering the market begins now.